To show a man being beaten by police and was captured live on Egyptian television. I want to warn you that I want to show this, but it isn't easy to watch out for a few moments. Here it is.
عليك يا حماد. عليك يا حماد.
Now again, you're looking at video.
عيني عليك يا حماده اللي ميت يا حماده. يا مولعها يا حماده. معلش يا حماده. معلش يا حماده. ده حكم ظالم.
الاعلام الدولي اصلا
by police outside of Egypt's presidential. A private Egyptian news channel, it appears to show a man half undressed being hit several times with a baton and bare fists by police outside.
اللي كان نازل يطلب بحقوقه كبني ادم حماده يا ناس زي ما احنا بنشوف كده
انتهاز
كرامة اللي جاب حماده ومهان كل حماده علشان الاخوان يتبصوا علشان العسكر يتبصوا. هذا كرامة الانسان المصري اللي للاسف القنوات الاجنبيه قاعده
protesters responding with rocks and Molotov cocktails. Authorities say at least 30 people were injured in the crash.